In today's video, I'll teach you how to open ProjectionLab account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link, ProjectionLab.com. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of ProjectionLab. So in order to create the account, what you have to do is click on this option, try for free, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to get started with the ProjectionLab. You'll be able to sign up with Google, or you can also sign up with email. So simply click on your preferred sign up method. Here I'm going to click on this option, sign up with email. If you also do that, you'll have to enter your email address and password over here. Click on the field of email address and enter your email address. Now once you do that, click on the field of password and create a very strong password for yourself. Now click on this option, sign up, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll have to set up your account. You'll be able to find two options over here, normal, walkthrough, sandbox mode. Click on the option of your choice and click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply provide the basic information about yourself. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for as an individual. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice and click on the save option. Likewise, select your age. You'll be able to enter your name over here. Click on the field of name and enter your name. Likewise, select the birth month. Also select the birth year over here. Now after you do that, click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Likewise, select the state and select the currency and click on this option, continue. Now you'll be able to see the question regarding the current finances. Simply click on the option of your choice and click on the continue option. Now enter your balance over here. Also specify the owner and click on this option, confirm. Now after you do that, you can take the tour if you want, otherwise click on this option, skip tour. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So that is how you open ProjectionLab account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.